Welcome to my channel. This is Gayatri. Today I'll show you a game in Scratch. We have a ghost here. We have a cat. So we lost. And let me share the sounds also with you. So when I click on flag, I have a cat here. Okay, this is the game. We'll look at the program for this. So this is the Scratch program. I'll share you the screenshot for the whole program with you in the description section. You can download it from the link. Okay. So let's begin. Search Scratch programming in Google. Go to scratch.mit.edu. You can create your login here. Click on create. So we need so many sprites here, right? Other than cat, click on choose a sprite. Select food. So select all your favorite food here. Cake and then okay, I have created 3 now. You can add as many as you want. Okay, so we'll set the size to that. By default, it is 100. We'll make it some 50 size. So cat also will make it 50. So we'll program for our keys. Select when from the events, select when spacebar key is pressed. Take this 4 times. One will be for your right up arrow, one for your down arrow, one for left arrow key, and another one for right arrow key. Go to motions block. Select point in direction. So when up arrow key is pressed, it should move in upwards direction. When down arrow key is pressed, it should move downwards. With left arrow, it should move left. By default, it will be right. And then move 10 steps. This is the speed with which cat moves. So now you can see if I click arrow keys, cat will move. Go to costumes. We'll have different costumes for our cat. You click on choose a costume. Select animals. One is the cat too, because when it loses, we'll show this cat and then add some more costumes. So totally for this program, we'll need 5 costumes. Okay, we have 5 costumes. We'll change the color. Select costume 2. We'll change the color for our costume. Okay, select costume 4, select a different color. Okay. We choose the background for our game. Click on choose a backdrop. I'll just keep it a simple blue sky. Then we need another backdrop as well. That is when the game finishes, right? Okay, then I'll also add a ghost. Choose a sprite and then select a ghost. Okay, we'll select crab. Crab size, I'll keep it 50. So we have a crab. Now we'll program for our cat. Go to costume, select costume 1. Go to code. So now when flag is clicked, that is when our game begins, right? So go to events, select when flag is clicked. Then go to looks, switch backdrop to say blue sky. Then go to blue, looks block, switch costume to. So initially our costume will be costume 1, right? Costume 1. Then go to looks block again. Select show. So when you click on the black flag, we have our blue sky here. So I'll change it. Let me check. Okay, I have a plain blue sky. From the looks block, select set size to. So initially the size will be 40%. Okay, then we'll program for different sprites one by one. See when flag is clicked, go to control block, select forever. Select if block. If then go to sensing block. If touching. So this time we'll select, we'll do it for cake. Okay, if touching cake. Go to looks block, select switch costume to, then change size by 10. Okay. So I can see From the looks block, select say hello for 2 seconds, add it here. Also we'll change it to yummy for 1 second. So when I run this, okay, I got a message. So similarly, we'll do it for donut and banana as well. The blocks remains the same. Select when flag is clicked forever. This time you select if touching banana, then switch costume to a different costume, change size by 10, say yummy for 1 second. So it remains the same for both donut and banana. I'll program it now. We'll add one more sprite here, choose a sprite. Then select select a right mark, or maybe I'll select the key this time. So in the cat, again go to control block, events block. When flag is clicked, from the control block, select forever. Select if block, then sensing block. If touching the key, right? Then go to looks block. We'll say you win. You win for 2 seconds. Then switch, change size by, say this time I'll give maybe 20. And then switch backdrop to, so this time we'll choose a different backdrop. Okay. We also need to program for key now. For that, select key. Key will appear on the screen only after 10 seconds, right? When flag is pressed, initially we'll hide the key, go to looks block, select hide. Then we'll wait for 10 seconds and then we'll make it appear, right? Go to control blocks, select wait 1 second, and then go to looks block, select show. So wait for 10 seconds. Go to motion block, select go to random position. Select go to control, select forever block. If block, go to sensing. If touching sprite 1, that is our cat, then go to looks block, switch backdrop to, so we'll select a blue sky. So the key will appear only after 10 seconds. Yeah, when it touches the key, the backdrop changes. So we'll program for our crab now. Select crab, select events. When flag is clicked, go to control block, forever block. So initially it will hide and it will appear only after 3 seconds. So from the looks block, select hide. Then we'll wait for 3 seconds. So I have added wait for 3 seconds and show block here. Then forever, go to motion block, select move towards. So point towards, this will be sprite 1, right? Because my cat is sprite 1, and then move 10 steps. So I'll change it to 1 step. So when I click here, see my crab will appear after 3 seconds and it will move always. It will chase our cat. Now we'll program for cake. So select cake here, then go to events block. When flag is clicked, select, go to control, select forever, go to looks block, select show. So when flag is clicked, show, then forever, go to control block, if, select if block, then go to sensing block, if it touches sprite, that is our cat, then our banana should hide, right? So go to looks block, select hide. So see here, when I execute this, so when it touches cake, the cake will hide. Similarly, we'll program for donut and for banana. So go to donut and write the same piece of code which we wrote for cake, right? Now you can see the crab appears after 3 seconds. Whenever I eat donut and banana, it just disappears, right? Now I have a key. So when I touch the key, the background changes, right? I should get a message you win, and then we need to program for crab now. What if crab touches our sprite? Go to sprite 1. When flag is clicked, go to control, forever, go to if block, then go to sensing, if touching crab, right? If touching crab, right, then go to motion block, sorry, looks block, say you lose. Instead of hello, we'll change it to you lose for 2 seconds, and then our cat will hide, the costume of our cat will change. So go to looks block, select switch costume to. See here, when you check the costumes, we have cat 2 costume for lose, right? So switch costume to cat 2. So you can see here, if you touch the crab, the costume changes, right? We'll make it more interesting. Go to looks block, select hide, and then go to control block, select stop all. So I have a basic version of my program ready. We can add the sound effects here by selecting the sound. Then we can add the sounds here, right? When touching the key, you can add a sound meow, right? See here. So when touching crab, you can add another sound. And then similarly, you can add sound effects for every sense objects here, right? So I'll share this program screenshot with you in description section. Download it and execute and share this with your friends. Thank you.